So what is up, mga tech shop? I have here a Vivo Y11 stuck in Vivo logo. So as you can see, Vivo shows up and then shuts off, and then Vivo, and then shuts off. So if you're interested in this video, mga tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go. So here, let's disassemble the phone, mga tech shop. Let's remove the SIM card tray and then start prying the edges to remove the back cover. But don't separate the back cover yet because the fingerprint flex cable is still attached on the back cover. So we don't want to damage the fingerprint flex cable. So we'll need to unscrew the metal plate that protects the flex cable or fingerprint, and then unscrew the back cover at the top. Once we remove the back cover, we should have access to the power switch, battery, LCD, and motherboard. So to test the power switch, if it's an issue, I power it on and then waited to turn it on and then disconnect the power switch while it's on. So it shuts off, so meaning the power switch is not the issue. Also, if you look at the power switch physically, it looks good. So it meaning something else is the problem. So I tried with a new battery and power it on and waited for a few minutes and confirmed that the problem is the battery. This is usually what's gonna happen if you drop a phone. Battery will usually have an issue. So I tried fixing the battery by replacing the fuse of the battery, but it didn't work. So I decided to replace the entire battery instead, and then apply tempered glass to protect the LCD, and then set up the phone. So customer accidentally formatted the phone by pressing the volume down button and the power button. He went to recovery mode and chose to format the phone. Now I had to set it up. Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go!